Hey students, already we finished the chapter, so now we can see the short answers. Okay, so first question is define computer network. So what is meant by computer network? It is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources is called as computer network. Then second one is define internet. What is meant by internet? Internet is the most common resource shared on today, and network of network is called internet. Okay, so the well-known networking for all of us is the internet. Then third question is what are the common uses of computer network? What are the common use of internet network? For communication purpose, we are using network, then resource sharing, then data or software sharing, and money saving. For all this purpose, we are using the computer network. Okay, then list out some features of mobile networks. So, what are the features of mobile networks? First is a less consumption. That means less consumption of power used by mobile devices comparing with a single transmitter or satellite. Often cell towers were nearer. And the second is huge capacity, and third one is location. So these are the features of mobile networks. Then what are the difference between wired and wireless network? So what is the wired network? That means a network which is connected to the using cable is called wired network, and which is the network which are connected using tablets or like without cables. That means Wi-Fi. All these are called as what wireless network. So study this question, guys. These are the 2-mark questions. Then we can study the 3-mark questions. Define. First one is define ARPANET. So what is meant by ARPANET? It is an important question, so please don't skip this question. Okay, I will send the PDF of this format to you. Okay, so no worries, you want to adjust reading the answers. The advanced search Project Agency Network was an early packet switching network and the first network to implement the TCP/IP protocol suite is the ARPANET. Okay, so both the technologies became the technical foundation of the internet. And here, the ARPANET was initially founded by the Advanced Research Project Agency, that is ARPA, of the United States Department of Defense, and the packet switch network was the theoretical work to model was performed by Leonard Kleinrock. So um, so it was what is happening. It was the early packet switching network. That means in the early days we are using the switching called ARPANET was used in the early days. Okay, so it was the first network to implement. So this is the first network we are using. So the next question, what is the usage of cloud storage and cloud computing? As you learn, so what is mean cloud storage? So it is a storage of data on online as it's in different area. No geographical limits was in need. So what is mean cloud computing? It is based on internet computing to share resources, software and information. So the cloud storage means it is like a storage place. That means for like for say in a example, if we take a computer, we are saving computer, we are even computer can save in RAM. You can store some informations, right, according to the capacity of the RAM. Like that, cloud, what is meant by cloud? It is an data center where we can store all the servers information at a single place is called the cloud storage. Okay, so the computing is based on the shared resources. The computing is called the cloud computing, sorry. Then, what is meant by artificial intelligence? What is meant by artificial intelligence? So, artificial intelligence was able to better predict traffic as it collects and analyzes data in real time. Some of the network managers were better prepared for big events such as World Cup, Olympics, and Valentine's Day, which often put on the internet under pressure. So what not artificial intelligence is nothing but it is a machine. That means a machine works based on the it's like a human is called as artificial intelligence. Like example we can say is like robo. All this robo Alexa, all these are worked like man. That means like work like human. So such things are called artificial intelligence. Then list out some usefulness of social networks. So, besides being a fun place to meet and relax with people, social networking lead us some extremely useful benefits to the individuals and community. Yes, so it is not only for the relaxing purpose we are using the social media, and also we can able to share many informations. We can able to gather many informations. The like educational purpose we can gather informations, so we can gather all the worldwide news we can gather using in social media. Then we can say our opinions in social media. So like that it was also the useful things. Okay, so these are the basic some of the usefulness of social networks. Then also the having group information sharing over long distance, then broadcast announcement, fostering diversity of thought. All these are the usefulness of social networks. Okay, then fifth question, how computer networks save the money saving. Using the computer networking, it is important financial aspect for organization because it saves money. It reduces the paperwork, manpower, and save the time. Yes, so using the computer networks, because we are sharing informations using the computer, right? We are so using devices, so it reduces the paperwork, and we can reduce it, it makes very easy. So it reduces the manual work, and also it saves more time. That means within a fraction second they can receive the messages without any error. So these all are the computer networks works based on the money saving. Okay guys, so learn the 2 marks and 3 marks. In the next class we can learn the detailed questions. Okay, okay guys, bye.